So one way to create a structure is to define one or more variables or properties and assign them initial values. And then when you do that, you can create a variable that represents your structure using an empty parentheses. A second way to create a structure is to define the variables or properties, but without assigning them initial values. And now when you do that, to create a variable based on your structure, you must assign an initial value to each of these variables, like this. And now if you try and print out each property or variable inside that structure, you will be able to access each of these values. And so by choosing to either create a structure with or without initial values, you can define a new variable based on that structure by either defining it with values or defining it with initial values up here. So it's really your choice. You can define initial values inside the structure, or you can assign initial values when you create a variable based on that structure. And those are the two ways you can create and define a structure.